Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. My name is Charles Peace. In today's video, we'll be making a beautiful Bible flip sleeve. So guys, for the flip, I need a circle. This is a circular shape to make the flip. So the first thing is to draft your sleeve, the length you want, the length of your sleeve, any design you want, whether long or short. So this one is a short sleeve. So guys, and I'll be cutting out a circular shape. I'm using a scuba fabric for it. So guys, I'm going to cut out multiple of these circular shape in order to make the flip. It will be at the tip of the sleeve. So let's get started. So I will use this as my sample circle. This is my sample circle, and I'll be using my pinkish shear scissors to cut it out. You can use the normal scissors, and this is for the thick fabric I'm using. So if you are using a softer one, you're going to need a lining. You cut a lining as well and line it. For this one, I'm not going to line it. It's thick and it will give me what I want. So I'll go ahead and cut out the circles. So guys, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. Go ahead and cut out as many as you want. So guys, I've cut out 10 pieces of it, but it's going to be more than it. But I just want to use this to demonstrate it. So you go ahead and cut as many depending on the size of your sleeve. So the next thing I'll do now is to determine the space I'll be using to place the flip, each of the circle. So I'll just use half inch. I'll just mark half inch on each of them. So I'll go ahead and mark it through. So by the time I mark it, I have so many of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So my circle is supposed to be 17 pieces. But I'll just show the one I have. I'll go ahead and cut it later. So guys, what you need to do is just to, for this circle, just fold it into two like so. Make sure the circle is well shaped. I'm going to shape it well to have a beautiful look. So what I'll do, I'll go ahead and fold it into two. So by the time I fold it, the midpoint should rhyme with this line. You can see that the midpoint should rhyme with this line. So that's where I'll be sewing through the midpoint. You can see. If you want, you can decide to mark it to make sure that everything rhyme. You can see that. So then I'll open it up like so. For it to rhyme, just have to be taking it. You can see. You can decide to top stitch from the outer part, or you sew through this inward part. So by the time I'm doing all of them, all of them will come closer. It will come closer. So guys, I will go ahead and pin all of them. Now go ahead and pin it, each of them. On the other hand, if you want it to be more close like this, you can go ahead and top stitch. So by the time you place it, it will be flat, but this one will not be as flat as this. So but this one will be open like so. Can you see that? To be open. So depending on how you want, if you want it to be as close as this one, you go ahead and top stitch each of them. If you top stitch it, it will be very flat. Then you go ahead and be placing it. But if you don't want it like that, if you want it to be like this, maybe it will open at the center like so, you go ahead. As you are using your pin to hold it, you as well sew it through, but make sure you are using the center part. So guys, that's how you be doing it. You can see by the time I flip it, see how it will look. So I need much of this circle in order to complete it to my sleeve side. So guys, I'll go ahead and fill all this space with my circle. I went ahead to make it more closer. So guys, you can see how it looks. By the time I sew through it, it will give me a beautiful flipping design. You can see. By the time you sew through it, it will be. So guys, by the time I sew it, this is how it will look. You can see. Then I'll go ahead and close it up. Close it up. By the time I close it up, this is how it will then come out. Very beautiful. You can see. Can make it more closer. It looks very beautiful. So guys, I hope this video is helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. Give it a thumbs up, share to your friends, and bye until I see you in my next video.